Hey guys, I'm Kyle with the Drafting Room, where we handle all of the garage design and home solutions for all the products that we carry here at Obsessed Garage. Today I'm talking to you about the Sonic Tools MSS Plus post system. MSS Plus cabinets are a self-supporting cabinet. That means that with this back panel system, the cabinets are just resting on the ground. They're not mounted to a wall or anything like that. And these posts go behind the cabinets, lock in and connect to the cabinets themselves, and then provide a system that we can mount the upper cabinets to. So it's pretty handy that you can have this just in the middle of a room or the middle of a shop if you wanted to. We've got two different heights. We've got the tall height, which mounts down at the bottom of the cabinet and goes all the way up to the top here. And then we've got the short height if you're doing the short back panels. With the tall ones, the wall cabinet actually mounts directly to this. So it comes with holes for the screws and all of that stuff. The way that you're gonna do this is at the end of every array, you're gonna have a 50 by 50 millimeter wide post. So it's like just a square. And then these are the 100 by 50 millimeter posts. And those are gonna be the ones that go between, as you can see with this gap here, that go between the cabinets and actually help kind of just lock everything together. So this cabinet is connected to this side of the post, this cabinet is connected to this side of the post. So you're gonna do those in wherever a cabinet is meeting, that's where you're gonna do a wide post. You could also do a wide post in between a lower cabinet and like a tall locker. If you were gonna finish off an array with a tall locker, you could do the wide post there as well. And then you would put a shallow or the smaller post at the end of the locker. It's not actually going to do anything on the locker. It's just kind of for a visual to kind of cap it off. But obviously with the lower cabinets and the upper cabinets, the small post ends it, caps it off, and then provides the support for the wall cabinets above. All right, so over here we've got the short posts for the Sonic MSS Plus system. As you can see with the way this connects, it doesn't go all the way down to the floor, so that way if you have baseboards like we do or something like that, it allows you to get a little bit closer to the wall, which is nice, or if you have like a short stem wall or something like that. Again, we've got the 50 by 50 millimeter or the 50 by 100 millimeter. As you can see from the side, it's got the wire pass-throughs. That's pretty much all you need to know about the post system. It's definitely going to be something you're going to want to do for pretty much every single cabinet array, whether you're doing upper cabinets or not, because it allows you to have a little bit more space behind the cabinets when you're installing for wires and stuff like that.